Hello guys, today we are going to see different ways we can restart our Microsoft Windows 11 PC and laptop or desktop. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to all, so you can get notification for every video we upload. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First one, using the Start menu. Click on the Start, that is the Windows icon in the bottom left corner or bottom center. According to your taskbar alignment, click on the Power icon. Click on the Restart options. Second one, using the Power button. Locate the Power button on your computer's chassis. Press and hold the Power button until the shutdown menu appears if it is configured for that. Select and click the Restart option. Third one, using the keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Alt key. Press the F4 key. Choose Restart from the options. Also, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del. Click the Power icon and select Restart. Fourth one, Windows Terminal. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type Restart Computer and press Enter. Fifth one, using the Power User menu. Press the Windows key plus X. Press U or click on the Shutdown or Sign Out option. Press R or click on the Restart option. That's it. These are the 5 methods by which you can restart your Microsoft Windows 11 PC and laptop or desktop. So, if you find these different solutions helpful, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are not in the know. You can also suggest what topics we should make videos on in the comment section. Also, follow us on social media. The links are in the description and in the channel's About section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.